Hi everyone, my name is Abby and I am going to be talking about these new Cluizel at-home kits that you can buy for chocolate making at home. I just unboxed this amazing kit for a chocolate bar. It's called Indulgence, and you'll see why it's super indulgent. And look at all the things you get in one kit. First of all, let's talk about this giant bag of amazing chocolate you get. This is a full pound of chocolate. This is a hefty boy, okay? It's 63%, which means it's super high quality, dark, smooth. It's probably one of my favorite dark chocolates to work with because even though it is a bit darker, so healthier for you, less sugar, it doesn't feel like it. It's so smooth on the palate, just really pleasant to eat. And then obviously, one of my favorite things in a candy bar, peanuts, amazing. Toffee bits for that caramely crunchiness. And then also, these are super fun. They are chocolate covered little meringue pieces. So you get kind of like an extra burst of sweetness to contrast that really nice dark chocolate. Great. But the best part in all of this is my favorite, which is gold flakes, like real actual gold flakes. And you can decorate your chocolate bar with these gold flakes, which if this isn't indulgent, I don't know what is. Amazing. And then of course you get these awesome chocolate bar molds. So once you put in your chocolate and all your stuff, unmold it, you can just throw this thing right in the dishwasher, which is amazing. You don't have to worry about washing it by hand or being super careful. What's not to love about that? This kit comes in two different kinds. This is the Indulgent, and also there is the Energy one, and the Energy one has goji berries, Himalayan salt, toasted oats, toasted coconut, just like really nice hearty flavors to really pack a punch in your day and get you going. So either way you go with these kits, you can't go wrong.